Welcome, Panda-Frog here. Today I'm doing a little different video. I'm right now on vacation on Corsica. You might see pretty nice view from my balcony here. But I have to tell Chris Capoon my condolences for his cat Suki, the log lab master. She passed away a couple days ago or a week, and I know I'm not the most reliable commenter, but I still like to tell you that I feel sorry for you, man. It's always hard to lose a pet, especially one that's been with you for like, what was it, 17 years? So yeah, well, it's always hard. You wanted us to show you some logs. I didn't bring many logs, I only brought two. I brought this one from Lockpicking. He sent me this one, this 90A, for achieving the brown belt. Thank you so much, brother. And shortly before I left for vacation, I got this Pollux 7000. I'm not going to pick it because I haven't worked on it, and I don't have a stand or anything, so I'm just showing them. Well, also you ask us to tell a story from like a pet we lost, and you know, when you getting older, you start losing more and more pets. I recently lost my Greek tortoise, or Herman's tortoise. Last year, in October, I believe. Well, she was with the family, or with the family of my wife's, for like 90 years. Or she was 90 years old and in the family for 70 or something. So yeah. A lot of people know that one, like the tortoise. I'm sorry. I'm filming with my phone and stuff, so probably not gonna be great. Let me cut this cigar. I'm not smoking, but I tend to do that. Tend to smoke a cigar on vacation. It worked out okay, I believe. No, not really. Just got this one. Well, it's okay. No, that's not better. It didn't work great. Well, it's always hard when you lose a pet. The tortoise's name was Babette, and I knew her for like 5 years. I had him in my place, and when we bought our house, we had her for like 2 years. Well, yeah, it was hard to lose her. I was checking on the tortoises when they went to bed for like hibernation for the winter, and usually they go down in the dirt, and she didn't. She was just sitting there, and I was like, how about bed? Come on, go to bed. And then I looked at her, and she was like all dried in, and I made it. Yeah, I took her out, and buried her that day. Made a little cross for her. So when she was 90 years old, she had a good life. I remember my wife telling me that the great grandparents of her was feeding them like noodles and pasta, because back then in the 50s they didn't know better what to feed a tortoise, so she got all the good stuff. And yeah, well, sorry again, Chris, and cheers. This one is for Suki. Stay safe and see you next time. Bye bye.